Cleared away from the edge of the box. Martinho collects the loose ball, finds Doherty out wide on the right hand side to Podence. Podence twisting and turning, low ball in towards Traore. Traore's second attempt and into the bottom corner. And Adama Traore's return to Spain is a glorious one. Espanyol won, Wolves won. Quick clever throw has set Podence away down the left hand side. Options in the penalty area, one of which is Matt Doherty, who taps it home from close range. Wolves back level on the night, extending their lead in the tie again. And that travelling Wolves support celebrate the loudest voices inside that stadium. Clever goal.